Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. This video will be short and just to show you my progress of the next project, which is automatic turn off for my soldering iron, because often I forgot and the soldering iron is working for hours. This circuit will prevent that, and it's a 555 timer relay with power on and reset button. Here is the schematic, but also that will be explained in tomorrow video. Now I'm gonna just to show you that it's working, and I made it and it's working. Let's hook up power supply 5 volts. From bottom we have a negative and positive rails. This is negative, this is positive. Let's hook up like this. It's on the bottom. As I said, this is working on 5 volts, and this switch will turn on the relay. I also put a blinking LED, self-blinking LED, and with the left push button I can reset the circuit. Reset. Also, I want to tell you that with this potentiometer we're gonna adjust the time that the soldering iron will be turned on. This is the first circuit that I will use in my project, and also I will add this small circuit that is wrapped in the isolation with the buzzer, and it says that will beep every 4 minutes when the soldering iron is turned on, and the timer will count the time. This gadget will beep every 4 minutes to remind you that the soldering iron is turned on. After desired time, for example 30 minutes, this circuit or device will turn off the soldering iron, or in the meantime you can reset with this. Okay, please give a like, share and subscribe. See ya tomorrow.